Hello everyone. I like to share you my newly developed dashboard template Flexboard. It offer the the basic things that uh, other template offer in the market, but it offer some extra benefit like customize your theme your own way. So I like to share it now through this video. Please continue with me. So this is fully responsive application. You can see that it's a totally responsive admin dashboard UI template, and it offer the more basic things like other product offer. It has e-commerce, product, calendar, chat, email, and all the authentication is custom widget to you can test everywhere and use this code in your project. You can just use this. This is the form template, form validation. So yes, everything you need to develop a project you can get here. So this is the portfolio. Pricing, this table, and this is the chart. You can get every sample code here, and it is also you can switch dark mode to light mode here. It support RTL. It supports also like different language, and it's actually a main USP in this project is actually it is a lot more customized option, like you can switch between every theme. This is the like theme color. You can see that everything is changing according to the theme. Okay, so there is a lot more happening here, like you can use material to theme also here, elevation, etc. And this is lot more setting here also. If you want to change the bar color, like custom color, everything, efficiency, background color of the elevation, button radius, everything. Like you can set a custom for every element of the widget through this setting. Everything you want, like here is that you can just test this, and according to you, if you want to like customize the whole theme, you can show the code, and I will show you that. Change the store file, and according to do you get the initial value, so your theme will be customized. Everything will be dynamic, where not any so easily you can change here. Okay, so now I like to show the code. Here is the code. So this is the folder structure. App, there is a theme, the all the theme setting is here. So here you can I actually didn't use uh, uh, any estate management plugin here, because yeah, you can, so that you can use your own, just use the change notifier for the theme setting. So theme setting is fully different from the another state management you use. And from here you can change everything from here. You can see here is a like a default value for every so if you change the default value here, so that when the theme load, that the user show the default value thing, you can identify that. If it's also comment out there that this value, how it's effect, which things is will be effect. So well documented everything, and well architecture maintained. I also for routing use auto router, and for the translation I use easy localization. So I use this application Hive for local storage, so that the changes will reflect and it save the value. And for that, get it actually for everywhere you can access the theme uh, theme uh, controller. So it's actually a more advanced and up to date project. Stop develop your project from scratch. Uh, Use this and modify this, and you can create your the top notch quality products. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.